Fans are talking, ladies and gentlemen. What they're saying, Jada Kingdom versus Stefflon Don clash has been the best ever in history amongst female. Ladies and gentlemen, you tell me if it's true. Greetings and salutations to all nations. The one ya go to the dancehall fans, especially the Jamaicans. YouTube, send this, TikTok, don't you flip-flop. You know it's Rastafari over here of Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen. The Stefflon Don and Jada Kingdom clash is going down in history as one of the best female clash ever. Not only is dancehall music known for its raunchy songs, lyrics, and its explicit music and video upbeat rhythm, but it's also famous for the clash culture, where various artists challenge each other in lyrical battles by releasing diss track or trading insults through the music at stage show like Sting. Although dancehall music has changed throughout the years, clash culture is still alive and well as it began 2024. Herald, one of the most talked about female clash in a while. 343 diss track exchanged between Jada Kingdom and Stefflon Don had multiple social media platforms, mainly TikTok and Instagram, in a frenzy. The online music feud also spanned in countries as citizens from Jamaica, England, Nigeria, and even the United States got involved to the point of requesting this track song, translating just so that many could understand what is being said. Listen, word is that Jada Kingdom is dead. Hardcore lyrics and this were exchanged between the two alleged driven from the fact that the burner boy Stefflon Don ex gift Jada a Birkin bag among things and thus Stefflon Don subsequently shade Jada in the song and changed the song lyric to explicitly state that she was talking about her. This kick-started the war, and a total of 6 songs, 3 from each side, were released. Listen to me, one thing I read about the Stefflon Don, she brave, she don't afraid. Stefflon Don released that gal, dead gal walking and dead gal talking, while Jada Kingdom replied to each of the diss track in the song London Bed, Steph Lazarus, and Accept That. Listen to the song them, and me can't believe them a chop like that. People were taking side at every turn, and while some declared Jada the winner, others held the opinion that Stefflon Don was the massacre empress. She won the war, and that everybody said. Me know Jamaicans are going to be biased. Many viewers of the clash stated that they had not seen such an exciting dancehall clash in a while. And one specific person stated, I'm proud of Jada and Steff. This is the first clash in 16 years that got everyone excited. Thank you both. No matter what anyone said, can see how talented both of you are. I'm proud. Now, the question that remains, however, is whether the lyrics warfare between the two women was just still feud for thought. Now, the entertainment or for viewing are more serious than a big female clash in a dancehall history. Among the list of female clashes made, they're marked in the culture, where Lady Saw and Spice, Lady Saw and Macka Diamond, Spice Shenseea and Jada. I lie. Them the other no clash. Not never a guan pound what a guan. Them say Ishawna versus Dovey Magnum, Lisa Hype versus Queen Paula, and Lady P versus Lady G versus Sister Charmaine, Charmaine versus Patra, and more at a time. Ladies and gentlemen, when many veteran DJ artists and dancehall communities are at last thinking the clash culture is dying out and running out, the ruining the music, Jada Kingdom and Stefflon Don seemingly to have sparked a new hope for those who are in favor of that endeavor. Me personally love it. Because I realize Burna Boy a win the clash. You organ T, life of a city boy. I mean, Burna Boy a bun them. You organ T, and that you not forget. Through the U-turn star, uno run in, for the pem and start a pem war. Jada, you look like you dep on some high drugs. You need to stop it. Stefflon, you are real Don. You are run off all of England. No matter what Jada do, she can beat you pound. Money a run. The Nigerian man got you locked down. Listen to me. Burna Boy, go on, bun them. The life of a city boy. You don't know what that mean? Man a gallus. When they pan on gallus. And the two top dancehall female artists a fight over the Nigerian tick. Listen to me. That's really romantic. Big up on yourself. Jada, big up yourself. Stefflon, big up yourself. Burna Boy, go on, bun them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier. Me a bring them out and send them. Listen, me a clean up the act. Because it sound like Burna Boy and Stefflon Don is back to being one. Listen, Jada, me hear so you married your producer for stay a foreign. They're slinging dirt all over the internet. And now one girl a bun you down. Them say your neck long because you can swallow it. Imagine a Jamaican woman and Nyambuff Bay. A Jamaican woman, they pan some kind of... Listen to me. Burna Boy, Stefflon down now. Play. Big up on yourself. No one else and more life. Jada, watch yourself because our next person out there lyrically dissing Jada. And me I go talk about it. Jada Kingdom, you should have the queendom. I don't know what's going on if you're smart or you're dumb. The life of a city boy catch them. The girl them run in pan Burna Boy. And Burna Boy no do nothing more than bun them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier. Real Jamaican. Subscribe, like and share to the channel. Build up the Rasta man panel, reporting live in the news. Them say a Jada winning war, but the whole world say that Stefflon done.
Big up Deep Roots TV, Caution says so. Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youths. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro. Shout out Deep Roots TV.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jack Webby said that.
Log on to Deep Roots TV.